Welcome to Pint and Passport. At this point in my journey, I was staying in a love hotel in Osaka, Japan. The next day, got on a flight to Busan. In Busan, I was absolutely knackered, but unfortunately, I didn't get much content. As my channel is quite small still, I'm going to put out a few of my vlogs from a few years ago. Travelled around South Korea for 2 weeks. Filmed quite a lot of stuff, but I never used any of the footage. And at this point, I'm going to publish a few vlogs from Korea over the coming weeks. I also went to Busan a few years ago. I started off in the Gamcheon Culture Village. Gamcheon Culture Village in Busan is often described as the Santorini of Korea, which is usually your first warning that something has been aggressively rebranded for tourists. But Gamcheon didn't start like this. It began as a hillside settlement in the 1950s, built by refugees fleeing south during the Korean War. People arrived with nothing, built whatever they could, wherever they could, and ended up stacking houses on top of each other like a game of architectural Jenga. For decades, this was one of the poorest areas in Busan. Then in the late 2000s, someone had an idea. What if we added art? Murals appeared, sculptures followed, staircases were painted. Suddenly, poverty with good lighting became culture. Today, Gamcheon is a maze of narrow alleyways, pastel houses, viewing platforms, and signs reminding you that people still live here. Usually just after you've looked directly into their kitchen. The main activity is walking, up, then more up, then stopping to admire a view you're too out of breath to properly enjoy. Every corner looks like a thumbnail, every cat looks like an Instagram account. At one point, I attempted to find something familiar. A full English breakfast. But nothing says cultural immersion like sausage and egg on the other side of the world. I found the cafe. The sign was up, the door was open, but the cook was hiding. No eye contact, no explanation, just the unmistakable feeling that today this man had decided absolutely not, which felt oddly appropriate. Cheers. Gamcheon is charming, confusing and slightly exhausting. It's a place shaped by survival, redesigned by tourism, now navigated mostly by people with cameras and regretfully optimistic footwear. Still, it's worth the climb, even if breakfast isn't guaranteed. That was my poor attempt at getting some British food. I wouldn't be a proper travel YouTuber. Then create a ranking system with the best things to do in an area that I went to. So here are the 3 best beaches that you can visit in Busan. Number 3, Daidapo Beach. This beach has a wonderful water fountain show timed with music and light effects. A beautiful place to visit in the evening, but takes a while to travel by metro. Number 2, Gwangali Beach. It sits inside a cove in a curved-in half-moon shape with fine sand. Perfect for your Instagram picture in front of Gwangan Bridge. Adjacent are alleys with restaurants, coffee shops and nightclubs. Number 1, Haeundae Beach. The most famous beach in Busan because of the white sand beach. It has a gorgeous coastline with a shallow bay, making it perfect for swimming. People flock to Haeundae Beach every summer. Ideal for families and young people to hang out. It has the best balance of a perfect beach and vibrant nightlife. Visit Busan, it has such sights to show you. I'll be pulling out a few more videos of me travelling around Korea from a few years ago before dovetailing back into my original vlog series across Asia. I've got a few coming up. Thank you for watching. I don't know if you've enjoyed it or not, who knows, but yeah, next time. Oh shit.